Can you still create a poll on Facebook in 2022? Well, the answer is both yes and no. So let me explain. And this is what I mean by a poll on Facebook. I've just created this one here to give us all an example. And I've asked the question, what do you most like seeing on Facebook? And I've added Facebook page posts, posts from friends, videos, Facebook group information, and all of the above. So pretty standard. This is what Facebook have been giving us for years and years and years, how to create a simple poll, and it's a great way to interact and get feedback. However, Facebook have now greatly limited where we can actually now create a poll. Now, we've never been able to create a Facebook poll on our own profile, but they did give us the opportunity to create a poll on our Facebook page or our Facebook business page. We'd click here, create post, and you would get this pop-up. You would click these three dots, and then you would get these various options. And this is where Facebook polls used to be available. You'd click on Facebook poll, but it's now not available. So it looks like the opportunity to create Facebook polls on our business pages has been removed. And I've gone into all the backends and the admin and the settings here on my Facebook page, and I just can't see anywhere where they're giving us the option now to continually create a Facebook poll from our own business page. So where can we still actually create a poll on Facebook, like I showed you right at the start of this video? Well, they still give us the opportunity to create a Facebook poll just like I've done here, but only within Facebook groups. Now, that's not going to suit most of us, I believe, because, you know, Facebook for us is a family and friends and business pages and that type of thing is probably its most popular usage. Groups are very popular as well, but for the vast majority, it's not going to work too well. Now, this is an old group that I'm a member of. We're part of my son's soccer team going back a few years, so I'm going to actually delete this post. But you can still do it like that. And it's as simple as, you know, when I explained and was showing you in the previous, you would click on here, create a post. You would click the three buttons, and then up would come the poll option. And then we would start typing away, create the poll, and you would come up with this type of thing. People would get the vote. But in summary, Facebook polling has been removed from all places on Facebook as far as I can find out, but it's only now available in groups. Go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know whether you're a fan of Facebook's polls. I used to do them quite a bit on my own Facebook business page to get interaction and feedback. So I'm actually disappointed that they've been removed, but I'd love to hear your feedback on regard to creating of Facebook polls and how they now seem to be very much limited.